all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, visitors, viewers, program participants, Sri Mahants, Kotaris, Tanedars. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Let me introduce the program, Kalpataru. The word Kalpataru itself immediately awakens so many hopes, desires, thoughts, possibility. Kalpataru, manifest your reality. That is what exactly is the title of the program. That's the purpose I called all of you. First, I wanted to make a clear statement to all of you. When I say manifest your reality, I mean it. Please understand. I am not talking about some may not happen or superstitious things. No. I am very clear. It is a science. It is a science. Please understand. I am not talking something superstitious. I am talking something which is a science. When I say manifest your reality, I mean it. Please understand. Whatever you think may not become reality, but whatever has become reality started in you as a thought. Please understand. Please listen. All the thoughts you started may not end as reality, but all the reality you experience started in you as a thought. How many of you understand this? Please raise your hand. That's all. Now, we need to look into why some thoughts become reality, why some don't become reality. Why some thoughts become reality, why some thoughts don't become reality. How to make what we want as reality. It is a straightforward science. It's a very clear, straightforward science. It is not superstitiousness. All of you need to know, many of the great truths related to inner science, especially expressed in our Sanatana Hindu Dharma, they have been abused so much. Unfortunately, even you all stopped using it and started. Doubting is not wrong. You started challenging it just to establish that they cannot work. I only request you to get down from that space. Doubting is perfectly all right. I can help you. I am here to clear your doubts, help you to evolve, support. The moment I have given a publicity, Kalpataru, manifest your reality. I am responsible for what I am uttering. Now, the thought which you want to manifest as reality, I am responsible. Please understand, I am responsible. I am very clear about what I am talking to you. My only request, don't approach the science just to establish your supremacy, authority, by proving the science is wrong. Many times I have seen, when I say whatever the thought you create, it can be manifested into reality without even understanding the science, without even ready to go through that science. Immediately people jump and start screaming. Start screaming, saying that, what do you mean? My thoughts can become reality. Now I wanted $100 million every month. Make it reality, come on. Means what? He just wants to prove the science is wrong. He is not interested in using the science. What? Will it become reality or what? How can it become reality? I want $100 million. Make it reality. See, when you come with that, you already carry the space, it is not going to become reality. So I am just going to give tathastu. And it will not become reality, that's all. And I am not here throwing any challenge, trying to establish my supremacy over you, because I am not here to throw a challenge or establish my supremacy over you. I am not going to accept your challenge or you trying to establish your supremacy over me. Please understand, I am a non-violent person. Neither I will be violent nor I will allow you to be violent. That is a simple truth. I am here to educate you. Whoever wants, you can use this science. And I tell you, this science is 100% foolproof, time-tested intelligence. It's a straight science. Don't approach it to prove it wrong. When you are approaching it to prove it wrong, you are asking that as a boon. Swamiji, please, I want to prove the science is wrong. Then I will say tathastu. In your life it will be proven wrong. Approach the science to use it, to manifest what you want. Please understand. Whatever thought you created in you may not have become reality, but whatever has become reality in your life, it started as a thought in you. Why some thoughts have been chosen by you and manifested as reality? Why some thoughts have not been chosen by you and you have not manifested as reality? That's all I am going to teach you today whole day. That's all. Some basic truths, whether you accept or not, understand or not, realize or not, you have more power and energy than what you believe as you. You have more power and energy than what you believe as you. Please listen. Then later on you can take the notes. Listen. See, the science which I am teaching is so simple, straightforward. Even if you listen once, it will become part of you. So you don't even need to worry about taking notes, then going to your house and then trying to revise. No. It's a simple, straightforward science. Whether you understand or not, accept or not, realize or not, you have more power than you can imagine. You have tremendous potential energy inside you, which you have not realized or made it into reality. You are a seed waiting to become reality. You have not already realized your potential. Man basically is a seed waiting to become reality. You have tremendous inner potential energy. Your potential energy, your possibility, what you can. That possibility, the potential energy which is lying inside you, which is there inside you, that energy is what I call Kundalini Shakti. Please listen. This Kalpataru science is neither difficult nor easy. It's a technique. It is neither a difficult science nor just an easy art. No. It is a technique. So you need to provide intense listening. I need your listening. Only if I have your listening, I can cause what you want as reality. I can help you to manifest your reality. So please, provide your listening. Even if you want to check out what I am teaching is right or wrong, true or false, you need to provide listening to me. So I request you to provide listening to me. First thing I want to tell you, the potential energy you carry is what I call Kundalini Shakti. Whenever your Kundalini Shakti associates itself with certain thought, you make the thought into reality. When your Kundalini Shakti does not associate itself with any thought, you don't make the thought into reality. Listen. Please listen. Whenever your Kundalini Shakti associates itself to a thought, you make the thought into reality. You need to know why you manifest some thoughts into reality, why you don't manifest. With whichever thought your Kundalini is associated, means your inner potential energy, if it pumps energy into the thought, that thought becomes simply reality in your life. And your whole effort gets automatically organized towards that thought. Even in the dream, you will be dreaming about that one thought. Your whole energy gets centered, focused, passionate about that thought. All I am going to do today is just help you to understand this science, how to infuse Kundalini Shakti Into one thought you want to cause as reality. You want to manifest as reality. Please understand. I am going to help you to give a boon to yourself. You are going to give one boon to yourself. You are going to manifest one reality for yourself. I am going to give you that science, step by step guide you into it, help you to do it. Final push, if you are stuck or struggling, pushing you to do it. That's all. That's all. Listen. The thoughts, when it raises in you, if it is not killed by your self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial, that thought can become reality. That thought can be manifested as reality. Today we are going to make one thought, manifest one thought into reality. Please understand. It can be anything. It can be related to your health, or wealth, or relationships, enlightenment, contentment, fulfillment, completion, whatever it can be. Please understand, I am not over promising. I am not overselling. Understand? Whenever I start a program, people always feel I am overselling. Whenever I end the program, people always feel I undersold. Understand? Whatever you want, it can be. Any one thought, today I'll teach you the science of manifesting that into reality.